Hey, what's up guys? Xiaomi is gearing up to launch two new 5G smartphones on September 24, 2019. Both the Mi Mi Mix 4 and Mi 9 Pro will offer 5G connectivity coupled with top-of-the-line hardware. While Xiaomi has already confirmed several details about the upcoming 5G handset, a recent leak reveals all the specifications of the phone in their entirety. The Mi 9 Pro 5G is expected to set a new standard in fast charging. Xiaomi has already confirmed that the device will support 40W fast charging and 30W wireless fast charging. The Mi 9 Pro 5G will also get 10W reverse wireless charging speed, allowing you to charge wirelessly, earbuds and other key compatible phones. The other most expected specification of the phone are: the phone is powered by the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus coupled with 6GB, 8GB and 12GB of RAM. It has got a display of 6.39 inch, which is a Super AMOLED display expected to be of Quad HD Plus resolution. This time it will have a triple rear camera which is of 48MP plus 12MP plus 16MP of triple rear camera, which takes amazing pictures. It has got a 20MP of front selfie camera housed into the notch of the display. The battery is around 4000 mAh, which can last up to 2 days and comes with a fast charging, wireless charging and reverse charging too. So these are all the specifications of the upcoming Mi 9 Pro 5G. So what do you feel about this phone? Please comment in the comment section. The price of this phone is expected to be around $550 to $700 and will be available in the month of October 2019. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.